So hungry. यहाँ पे लिखते होंगे शायद पुराने ज़माने में। Back around, you know.
It's bright bus.
You'll notice that hindsight. Me and Marcus were here last night coloring all this thing.
Oh, this is a library, National Library.
Right here, there used to be a building called the Old Toll Booth. This is where you went to prison if you had not paid your debts. In this prison, you would be beaten up, sometimes killed. When you finished your time in this prison, you walk out the front door and you spit on the ground in front of the building. This is the emblem for Edinburgh Hearts soccer uniform. So all the fans of the other team, Hibs, when they walk by here, they spit on this because they're spitting on the second team of Edinburgh. So this is the oldest statue in Edinburgh. It dates back to around 1685.
Punishment is an adult of 8 years of age. Yeah. So.
So busy. Mary King's goes over there.
All the time tomorrow. Should walk around.
I'm gonna take film, sit, I'm gonna vlog. Very beautiful. What's going on there?
I honestly believe that this show today is worth £25. And I know that everyone here is not going to give me a £20 note, but it's £19.50 to see a stone building up there, yeah? Here we go. You know what I mean? Alright, here we go. Here we go. People, I believe it's worth £20 or 20. What are you expecting? If you shake, guys, I get nervous. If I get nervous, I do. It would not be the first time I've been on top of two strangers, but that's a different pattern. Alright, let's don't move. Here we go, everyone, together, hands up. Not you guys. Here we go. Let's do it. When I go like that, everyone give me one massive clap. Let's finish this show properly. Here we go. If you're just arriving at the back, this is going to be worth something. So, here we go. Everyone together at the same time. Let's do it.
Cheating.
But some of them, they still
It's like
more expensive.
this is woven in by the hand in the Western Isles of Scotland. Not all, but when we saw a lot of groups coming over, they decided to celebrate here. Market. Traffic. Front. So the Norwegians mostly were here. They settled here, the Norwegians. The Danish in the...
We're gonna walk like now 15 minutes. Break her neck in by looking around.